The truth about passive income. Work once, earn forever. We've all heard the term passive income, but let's get real. Most so-called passive income ideas require a ton of effort up front. You're told to start a business, build a brand, or master an advanced skill before seeing a dime. That doesn't sound passive, does it? But what if there were genuine ways to make money without constant effort? Where you set up an income stream once and let AI and automation do the work for you? That's exactly what we're diving into today. These 5 lazy income methods aren't about luck or risky investments. They're scalable, AI-powered, and work even if you have zero experience. Let's get started. AI-driven print on demand. Sell t-shirts, mugs, and more without any work. Think about this. How often do people buy custom t-shirts, mugs, hoodies, and phone cases? All the time. But here's the crazy part. You don't need to design, print, or ship anything. AI can do all the work for you, and platforms like Printify and Teespring handle everything from production to delivery. How it works. Use an AI-powered design tool like Kittl, Midjourney, or Canva AI to generate unique, high-quality designs based on trending niches. You don't need to be an artist. Just type a few keywords, and AI creates stunning graphics. Upload your designs to print-on-demand platforms like Redbubble, Teespring, or Printify. These platforms automatically list your products for sale on sites like Amazon, Etsy, and eBay. AI-driven platforms promote your designs for free, leveraging search engines, social media, and marketplace algorithms. Customers find your product, place an order, and the platform takes care of everything. Every sale earns you a profit without touching inventory, managing shipping, or spending on ads. Example: Sarah, a stay-at-home mom, started uploading AI-generated cat-themed t-shirt designs. In just 1 month, she sold over 600 shirts and made $7,000 in profit. Earning potential: $5 to $15 per sale, 10 to 30 sales per day equals 500 plus daily. This is truly set it and forget it income. Automated YouTube channels. Make money without ever showing your face. Most people think YouTube is only for influencers and content creators who are willing to be on camera. But right now, there's a huge wave of faceless YouTube channels making thousands per month, and AI makes it easier than ever. We've already covered automated YouTube channels in detail on this channel, breaking down how to create and scale them step by step. If you haven't seen those videos yet, make sure to check them out. Let me give you a quick guide how it works. Step 1. Choose a highly profitable niche. Topics like luxury, finance, tech, horror stories, or celebrity news get millions of views. Step 2. Use ChatGPT or Jasper AI to generate an engaging script in seconds. These tools can create video scripts just as good as professional writers. Step 3. Convert your script into a professional voiceover using 11 Labs or Speechelo. These AI voices sound just like real human narrators. Step 4. Generate AI-edited videos using Pictory, InVideo, or Runway ML. These platforms automatically create entire videos, adding stock footage, subtitles, and transitions. Step 5. Upload your video, optimize it with AI-generated titles and thumbnails using TubeBuddy or vidIQ, and let YouTube's algorithm do the rest. Example: a YouTube channel in the luxury car niche went from $0 to $15,000 per month in just 6 months using AI-generated content. Earning potential: $5 to $25 per $1,000 views. Ad revenue: 50,000 to 100,000 views per day equals 500 plus daily. And it's not just ad revenue. You can also make money from sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and YouTube memberships. Once your videos are uploaded, they can earn passive income for years. 3. AI-generated blogging. Earn with SEO and affiliate commissions. Think blogging is dead? Far from it. AI-powered blogging is one of the easiest ways to earn 500 plus per day, without writing a single word yourself. How it works. Step 1. Pick a niche that people are searching for, like tech gadgets, personal finance, health, or productivity hacks. Step 2. Use ChatGPT, Jasper AI, or Koala Writer to generate high-quality, SEO-optimized blog posts in minutes. Step 3. Set up a free blog on Medium, Substack, or WordPress, or launch a self-hosted website for more control and profits. Step 4. Optimize your blog for Google rankings using Surfer SEO or Neuron Writer. These tools tell you exactly what keywords to use so your articles show up on the first page of Google. Automated affiliate marketing. Earn commissions on autopilot. Imagine making money every time someone buys a product online, without creating your own product, handling customer service, or dealing with inventory. That's the power of affiliate marketing. And thanks to AI, it's easier than ever to automate this entire process. How it works. Step 1. Choose a high-paying affiliate program. Amazon Associates, ClickBank, ShareASale, or even high-ticket programs like software subscriptions. Step 2. Use ChatGPT or Jasper AI to create a blog post, email sequence, or social media content promoting the product. Passive crypto staking. Earn while you sleep. If you've ever wished for a hands-off way to earn money, crypto staking is one of the most effortless passive income streams available today. Unlike traditional investing or trading, where you constantly monitor price movements, staking allows you to earn rewards automatically just by holding your crypto in the right place. What is crypto staking? Think of crypto staking like a high-interest savings account, but instead of depositing money in a bank, you're locking up your cryptocurrency to support blockchain networks. In return, you earn staking rewards, essentially interest, without doing anything. Most blockchain networks operate on either proof of work, POW, or proof of stake, POS. Bitcoin, BTC, runs on POW, which requires energy-intensive mining. Ethereum, ETH, and Cardano, ADA, operate on POS, allowing people to stake their crypto instead of mining it. POS networks reward users for locking up their coins, ensuring security and efficiency while providing passive income. By now, you've seen how AI and automation can completely change how you make money. These aren't just ideas. They're real, proven strategies that thousands of people are already using to hit $500 a day and beyond. Quick recap. AI-driven print on demand. Sell custom products with AI designs. Automated YouTube channels. Use AI to create and monetize faceless videos. AI-generated blogging. Rank on Google and earn from ads. Plus as affiliate sales, automated affiliate marketing. Set up AI-powered promotions that run on autopilot. Crypto staking. Put your money to work and earn passively. Now it's your turn. Don't just sit on this information. Pick one of these methods and take action today. The sooner you start, the sooner you'll see results. Which of these methods excites you the most? Let me know in the comments. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe to MoneyMatic Masters for more AI-powered income strategies, like this video. If you found it helpful, turn on notifications so you never miss a new money-making method. Stay tuned for the next one. It's going to be even bigger.